Hi, my name is Kelly Ruth. I'm the instructor of the Medical Health Professions program. BCTC collaborated with Reading Hospital Tower Health and Penn State Berks to create a one-year senior-only program for students that are interested in attending college the following year for something in healthcare. So it could be careers in the future such as physicians, physician's assistant, nursing, physical therapy, occupational therapy, radiology, or the lab, or just anything in the healthcare career. So if you attend this program, you'd be with me 5 days a week, either in the morning or the afternoon session. The opposite time you would be at your home school. It is a completely off-campus program, so you would be responsible for your own transportation. So 2 days a week we would be at the School of Health Science. In that classroom, I'd be teaching you medical terminology, anatomy, physiology, and disease processes of the various body systems. We would also be doing skills such as vital signs, isolation technique, and sterile gloves to teach you sterile principles. You would also get certified in BLS for the healthcare provider, which essentially is CPR for the healthcare provider, and first aid. Then 2 days a week, you would be attending Penn State Berks. So you would be a true college student at Penn State Berks. You would get a transcript for these college credits. You are also sitting in classes with the college students. So in the fall, you would be, here's our students this year at fall with the mascot, but you would be attending a class called philosophy, and that is a bioethics course which specializes in ethical dilemmas in healthcare, so euthanasia, stem cell research, and things like that. Then in the spring, you would be enrolled in chemistry, and it'd be college chemistry, 3 credits for the theory portion. Here is a picture of some of the students in the classroom, and they are collaborating on chemistry problems. In addition, in the spring, you would be taking the 1 credit lab associated with the theory portion of chemistry, and it's a traditional college lab experience. Then the last day of the week, which is Friday, all the students become really excited because they get to shadow in the hospital. So we shadow a variety of professionals within the hospital. You will have to purchase a scrubs and a program jacket in order to shadow in the hospital. So we do a variety of units. We do general medical surgical floors as well as ICUs, surgical and medical. We do different professionals like the respiratory therapists, physical therapists, occupational therapists. You do some rotations in the laboratory as well as a variety of radiology units. We do a maternal child health rotation. So here's a picture of just one of the maternity rooms, and about a third of the students actually get to see a live birth. So we'll see, you also shadow in pediatrics, postpartum. You shadow in the neonatal intensive care unit, so you would see little premature babies as well. We have rotations within the emergency room, so you would see triage area as well as acute and intermediate areas of the emergency room. We also do a perioperative rotation, so I'll take you in the operating rooms and you get to observe various different types of surgeries. You get to see preoperative, what they do with the patients, and then postoperatively in the recovery room. We also do a GI lab rotation, so you would see endoscopies, EGDs, and colonoscopies. So there are a variety of areas that you do a shadow in within the healthcare system. Also, HOSA is a big part of medical health professions. HOSA is a student-led organization, and there's many of opportunities there, both in leadership. You could run for office, as well as you can attend state leadership conferences and compete. So this is a picture of a group of students that did a health education presentation, and they obtained first place at states and 4th place at our international conference. So there's a variety of experiences you can obtain through HOSA. In addition, we do community service projects. So this is a picture of the students last year who decided to do bundle baskets for chemotherapy patients, and we were able to deliver them to the cancer unit at the hospital. So if all this sounds of interest to you and you are a high school junior, or if you're an underclassman, you can focus on your science and math and try to excel in that area so you're a good candidate. But you would apply your junior year, early in your junior year, go to your guidance counselor and tell them you want to apply, and it's medical health professions, the senior only program, and you would have to do some additional things in addition to the regular BCTC application, like certain letters of recommendations from a science teacher, etc. So if it sounds of interest to you, please apply. If you have any questions, my contact information is on the BCTC website. Hope to see you.
For more information about this program, please visit the program page at www.brookscareer.com.